find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
Ooh, there are a lot of fish right there. Alright, what's up everybody? Fibbers Fishing here, back at it again with another YouTube video, guys. And today we're going to be fishing Slow Pond. Now, I have made a few videos here before, and right now is in the middle of February, trying to catch some bass, and yeah, see if we can get on them. So what I'm using is I'm using a Yum Dinger, just a little stick bait, and it's basically like a white underbody and then a green top. So hopefully I will hook up on some fish here. Fishing on a Texas rig, fishing it real slow, bouncing it right off the bottom, sometimes in the middle, but we're just going to see how these fish are going to be biting today. Well, there's one right there. There's way more color than the other bass we were catching yesterday. Pretty nice fish though. Let's get a release. Glad I switched ponds, because I really don't think I would have caught anything at that other pond. But yeah, there are some coulee over there. I just haven't been talking because I didn't think I was going to hook up, but got something on this minnow. Okay, I almost lost him. There he is. Oh shit. Okay, let's get a release. There he goes. Well, the crankbait worked. So basically, I'm just using this little chrome crankbait. Got myself a little one. This is third one for the day. Definitely the smallest, but still pretty fish. Okay, let's get him back in the water. Yeah, I didn't really think a crankbait would work in this pond, but like third, fourth cast, I actually got one. So definitely doing pretty good. Oh, came off. Okay, guys, just had my fourth fish of the day, but it came off. That sucks. Maybe we'll come back for it. No, he's not gonna come back. Came in my fourth fish. 2 fish in a row as well. Oh, there's one bigger one too, I think. Nope, way smaller. Oh, they're just getting smaller on me. Still hooking up on them though. Barely hooked as well. Okay, fourth fish. They're all dinks, but I mean, I'm really not complaining. February 21st and catching all these bass. So definitely a lot of fun. Really happy I switched to this crankbait. It's just a simple chrome crankbait. Probably dives maybe a foot, a little bit less than a foot, or a foot, something like that. Around a foot, but definitely doesn't go 2. And it's really nice fishing these. This pond doesn't collect anything because it's not going deep at all. Any light that hits it is definitely going to be really bright on the bait, and it's overall just giving off tons of vibration, and I'm guessing that's what's triggering the bass, because every single bass that I've caught are not that big, but they've inhaled the first trouble, so definitely doing good. Oh, there's one. Oh, he's big. It's an upgrade. I'm absolutely crushing them at this pond with this crankbait. Never would have thought a crankbait would actually catch in this many bass, especially in a pond like this. Still pretty fish. Really small, light colors, has a little lateral line. Still pretty nice.
I can't regret